You know what you should be doing. The task is right there. But for some reason, you're watching this video instead of getting started. Why do we put things off even when we know better? Let's find out. In the morning, you're unstoppable. You set goals, make plans, and swear today will be different. But as the day goes on, you find yourself cleaning, checking social media, or doing anything except that one important thing. The weird part? The task hasn't changed. So what's really going on? Inside your head, there's a battle. Logical brain knows what needs to get done. But emotional brain? It wants comfort right now. If a task feels boring, hard, or scary, emotional brain slams on the brakes. Logical brain can plan all day, but emotional brain controls the steering wheel. Here's the trick. Make the task so small, your emotional brain can't object. Don't write a report, just open the document. Don't clean the house, just pick up 5 things. This is the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, just do it. And once you start, momentum takes over. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain switches from avoid mode to action mode. Often, you'll do way more than planned. This is the Zeigarnik Effect. Your brain likes to finish what it starts. Make it automatic with implementation intentions. Instead of, I'll exercise later, try, if I finish breakfast, then I put on my workout shoes. Your brain loves clear triggers. Give it a simple rule and watch procrastination disappear. When you master tiny starts, you become unstoppable. You build trust with yourself, gain momentum, and finally stop letting procrastination win. You don't need more motivation, you need a system that works with your brain, not against it. Your challenge: pick one thing you've been avoiding and make it tiny. Share your 2-minute version in the comments. And if you want more brain hacks that actually work, subscribe for more stick figure wisdom.